This is the Chemistry Cooking Show. Today I came up with my own formula at my own attempt to kill some ants. Originally, I thought I wanted to gas them with my Nanomist sprayer, but I couldn't find the top piece, so I would have to buy a new one. To me, gassing ants sounded like the most funniest and overkill thing I could do, which is why I did it anyway. I do actually have some footage of me using the portable hand sanitizer spray bottle with the mixture inside of it. As you see in the video, I sprayed the ants with the mixture. It seems that the mixture seems to be a bit weak, and it's not how I originally planned it. But I do remember that I didn't follow my own steps correctly and added a bit of more acid than I should have. And it's in diluted form too, so it's a bit weak. I know you're probably asking, well, what did you make to use the ant killer? Well, I used a mixture of 70% isopropanol alcohol, some dish soap, and some 5% distilled white vinegar to make the ant killer. I was out of borax at the time, so I couldn't obtain boric acid to use in the mixture. So I went with the 5% vinegar, as it is the closest I had at the time. If you ever plan on making it, I would recommend you just use like the boric acid and replace the vinegar, as it will be a lot more efficient to killing the ants. As a lesson, I feel like commercial grade ant killer is better, but I say my mixture is a lot more fun because you get to make it yourself. And not only that, you also get to choose what you make with it. And to be honest, I believe that's what chemistry is all about. Thank you for watching and goodbye.